In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the automatic selection of entire text in Microsoft Word. If you've ever tried to select a small portion of text, but Word suddenly highlights the entire word or sentence, it can feel frustrating and slow down your workflow. Fortunately, you can adjust this behavior in the settings so you have more precise control when selecting text. To begin, open Microsoft Word and go to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the screen. From there, click on Options to open the Word Options window. This is where you can customize how Word behaves according to your preferences. Inside the Word Options window, look for the Advanced category on the left-hand side and click on it. This section contains a variety of editing settings. Scroll down until you find the option related to text selection. You should see a setting labeled When Selecting, Automatically Select Entire Word. This option is usually enabled by default, which is why Word selects the entire word even when you only drag across part of it. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box next to that option. Once you've done that, click OK to apply the changes and close the settings window. Now, go back to your document and try selecting text again. You'll notice that Word no longer forces the selection to include the entire word. Instead, you can precisely highlight only the exact characters or portions of text you want, giving you better control during editing. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you're working on detailed documents where accuracy matters. It allows you to edit text more efficiently without constantly correcting unwanted selections. If you ever want to switch back to the default behavior, you can return to the same settings and re-enable the option at any time. And that's it. You now know how to disable automatic word selection in Microsoft Word and improve your editing precision. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.